Hey everybody, welcome back. Just going to do a quick pocket dump today. Just some things I'm carrying today. First we got keys, car keys. But I also got this little Olight flashlight. Rechargeable. See that little port right there? Just plug that little cable up, charge this baby up. That little dude's bright too now. Got a little mini ferro rod on the keys. Hopefully don't ever have to use it, but if I do, I got it. Because what does Mr. Terry say? Man needs fire. Got a quarter. I told y'all the other day I'm a turkey hunting fanatic. Look here. Look at her. It's that flying turkey quarter. And just got a bunch of keys on it. House keys, car key, all that kind of stuff. This one's in my pocket almost every day. Has been since Christmas. Kaiser. I'll show you all that at some time. It's just it's quick, boy. Pretty nice knife. One we already saw the other day. That brand new little mini trapper. Carry that. Been carrying that this week since I bought it last weekend. Then I'm going to show y'all something. Mr. Terry showed y'all something the other day, and I liked it a lot, because like a week before Mr. Terry showed that video, I bought something on eBay. Y'all see that right there? Look at him, y'all. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that? I don't know if you can tell or not, but that one there's got 3 dots on it. 3 dots. Because that's the year I was born. 1963. Got that thing, y'all. Put a new wick in it. Put a new flint in it. Put some fluid in it. There you go. 1963 Zippo. I'm really liking that a lot. That's a good lighter now. Bought me a little case to put it in. Clip on your belt. Because if you know me, I might get too much fluid in that thing, and that thing be leaking in my pocket. I don't want that leaking in my pocket. Alright. Something my daughters bought me a couple years ago. For one, it's got 2 of my favorite things. Got mossy oak camouflage. Y'all see that Clemson Tiger paw right there? Yep. I'm a Clemson Tiger fan. My daddy's house was about 25 miles from Clemson. I grew up loving Clemson. Still like Clemson. Well, that's it for today, y'all. Just a little quick pocket dump. We'll catch y'all later. Have a good one. God bless.